How to fix TikTok video resolution not supported at this time. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can fix if the TikTok resolution says it's not supported at this time. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, sometimes what the issue over here likely seems to be that if you went ahead and then opened up TikTok, for example, and then let's say you were trying to simply log in or just simply trying to upload one of the videos, and then it simply said TikTok video resolution not supported at this time. Now, before we get on to fix this, you have to understand why this issue occurs in the first place. This type of issue generally happens because TikTok currently at present only supports up to 1080 pixels of format, which means you cannot upload a higher resolution video which crosses or bypasses the limitations above 1080 pixels, such as 2K videos or 4K videos. TikTok does not support them at this time because TikTok is most likely a user-friendly application which is going to run even on low-end devices, and in order to keep the experience smooth, TikTok has actually limited this resolution to only 1080 pixels at the time. Maybe sometime in the future there could be an update where you could actually upload 4K videos or maximum higher quality videos on your TikTok account, but currently at the present context there is just no way you could go ahead and upload those videos. But instead I will show you an alternate solution what you can do if you do really want to upload that video. For example, if you have a 4K video, all you have to do is you have to actually re-render or re-export them again from a video editor application to almost 1080 pixels, which means you have to downsize their resolution. And in order to do that, you can use a bunch of various options, such as some of the free apps as well. Personally, I like using the InShot application, which is very user friendly. What you have to do is you have to tap on the video option and you have to select the video which you want to actually downsize or lower the resolution of. So let me just go ahead and then select any of the video for this context, let's say. And when you select a video, what you have to be is you have to be careful on actually trying to downsize the resolution. For example, I do not have a video, so but I will show you. If I go ahead and select any of this, what you only have to do is at the very top of the screen you'll be able to see resolution such as this canvas as well. Tap on the canvas and you want to make sure that it is set to this TikTok, which is 9:16 ratio. Tap on it and then make any changes which you want, and then tap on the save button on the top right corner, re-export your videos and try to upload them to TikTok, and this should definitely fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if TikTok says the video resolution is not supported at this time. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.